Getting a girlfriend when you're shy can be difficult. But the truth is, you're more likely to never ask someone out than to actually get turned down. First, build yourself up by looking sharp, wearing appropriate clothes, and keeping yourself well groomed to boost your confidence. Improve your posture by standing tall and avoiding defensive habits like crossing your arms. Act like a gentleman. Listen without cutting her off, and use a little situational humor to put everyone at ease. Don't wait around for a perfect girl. Practice your flirting skills within your social circle or on dating apps like Tinder to keep your socializing skills sharp. Once you find someone you like, show nonverbal and verbal interest early on to avoid the friend trap, and simply ask her out for coffee or a picnic where you can talk. Call her the following day to propose a second date. Keep communicating regularly and stay on your game until you're in a happy, committed relationship.